Your support queue is full, but you have no idea which ticket is about to blow up an SLA. Without visible deadlines, agents pick the easiest tickets first, and critical ones slip through unnoticed. In this video, you will learn exactly how to add SLA targets to your Zendesk ticket views so your team always works on the right ticket first. When every ticket in your queue looks identical, agents naturally tackle the easiest ones, not the most urgent. VIP tickets get buried, SLA deadlines pass silently, and nobody gets a warning until the breach has already happened. A single column added to your view fixes all of this. Before you configure anything, you need to understand the 3 SLA statuses Zendesk tracks. Active means the clock is running and the target hasn't been met yet. Paused means the clock stopped while the ticket sits in pending. And closed means the metric has been completed, hit, or missed. Any of those 3 can also be breached, making 6 states in total. The colored badge on each ticket tells you exactly how urgent it is at a glance. Green means more than 15 minutes remain and you're on track. Amber means fewer than 15 minutes and action is needed right now. And red means the SLA has already breached with a negative timer showing how far past the deadline the ticket is. This is what your view looks like once you add SLA columns. Each ticket shows a live countdown next to its SLA and group SLA status. No more guessing, the numbers tell your agents exactly which ticket to open first. Step 1 is to open the view you want to upgrade. Click the view's icon in the left sidebar and select the view your agents use most, or create a brand new one dedicated to SLA management. Any existing view can gain SLA visibility with a quick edit. Step 2 is getting into the view editor. Click the Actions menu on the view and select Edit View. This opens the full configuration panel where you control every column and every sort setting. Step 3 is adding the SLA column itself. In the Formatting Options section, click Add Column and choose SLA from the drop-down. If your plan includes group SLAs, you can add that column too and track internal team ownership time separately. Step 4 is the move that makes everything click into place. Set Order By to SLA in ascending order so tickets closest to breaching or already breached float straight to the top of the list. Your agents open the view and the most urgent ticket is right there, every single time. Once you have the pattern down, build these 5 views for complete SLA coverage across your team. At-risk tickets catches upcoming breaches before they happen. Breach Today handles damage control. VIP customers protects your highest value accounts. Paused SLAs tracks tickets waiting on replies. And Unassigned with active SLA makes sure no ticket is ticking without an owner. If your team still struggles to hit first reply time targets even with better views, eesel AI integrates directly with Zendesk to draft instant replies from your knowledge base. Agents review and send in seconds. The SLA clock stops the moment the reply goes out. One-click setup, no separate tool to learn. You now have everything you need to turn your Zendesk queue from chaos into a prioritized workflow. Add the SLA column, sort ascending, build the 5 views, and try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai.